So now this question is related to magnetic field, and you know that magnetic field follows del dot B is equal to 0. It should always follows this. So if I write this, it will become del Bx by del x plus del By by del y plus del Bz by del z is equal to 0. Now Bx component is given, it will become 2 times B naught x plus del By by del y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now del By will become minus 2B naught x del y. So it will be By is equal to minus 2B naught x y. So minus 2B naught x y is given by this second option. So second option is correct. So I mean, once anybody starts doing it, it becomes very easy. But just to think it initially, that if they are giving a profile of magnetic field, it should follow del dot B is equal to 0. That is important. Otherwise, question has no meaning. Once somebody writes this del dot B is equal to 0, even you can catch up. लेकिन सबसे पहली बार think करना, सोचना, that is important. Okay? So whenever you see a question, try to relate it, which equation is going to apply, which concept you are going to apply. Because there are very limited in number and you cannot invent a new one. So just figure it out in which direction you will go. Okay? Thank you.